Hi guys, Abopoke Tech is here. Today I'm going to show you this super fast power bank. As you can see, this power bank is as you can see is a 22.5 watts fast charging power bank, as you can see by yourself, and it has intelligent security and quick charging. So it is 20,000 mAh battery, and also model PB12. So as you can see, it has like an LDE screen, and it contains all the cable you want for charging your device. So let us continue to show you what it contains. As you can see, it has this cable to use it. So this power bank, as you can see, model is PB12. Battery lithium polymer battery. Battery capacity is 20,000 mAh battery. Product size 147 times 7 by 70.5. As you can see, it has micro slash inputs. So these are the type of charging cable you have, which you can use. So built-in intelligence recognition and so many. So those are some informations. So let us go and unbox it. It comes with like the color of that power bank. It comes with white, blue, black. So let us open it and see it in real life. So as you can see, it comes inside this, and also this is it. So I've been using this power bank for like almost 1 month, and I don't have any issues for using it. So as you can see, it comes with almost all the cable you want for charging your device. So let me show you something. The one thing that I notice, if you plug one device at a time, you will see it's charging, and with this like light green LED, as you can see. But if you plug another device to make like two devices as once, these are like super fast charging indicator will disappear and will give you just fast charging speed for charging. So as you can see, now it is disappear. So that all, but it can charge all the device. You can use all those 4 cables at once to charge different device, and it is really very cool to do it without any issues or hassle. So but in my own case, I use like a single device at a time to charge it, especially if I wanted to get fast charging. As you can see, if you like plug it on like Samsung device, they will tell you the actual time to charge it into full, and also it will show you if it is fast charging. As you can see, it is fast charging. So that all you can get, and it is really cool power bank to do bunch of stuff, especially if you are really busy or you are on your way without any place to charge your device. You can get companion with this power bank to charge all the device you have without any hassle. So guys, what do you think about this power bank? Will you buy it, or have you ever buy any power bank and use it? What is your experience about it? Let me know in the comment section. By the way guys, please like this video, share it to friends, family, follow me and subscribe for more video like this. Thank you. See you very soon.